Namaste yogis, welcome to our warm-up sequence of neck and shoulders. Take a deep breath in as you put your hand in Anjali Mudra and a deep breath out. Breathe in deeply through your nostril. Exhale all the air out through your mouth. Deep breath in. Exhale from your mouth. Just release everything that's not serving you. Again, a deep breath in. Exhale from mouth. One more time, breathe in and release from your mouth. Put your hands down, observing your breath, observing the sensation in your body. As you bring your awareness to your body, we'll do a breathe in and a shoulder up, and a breathe out and shoulder down. Let's do it again. Up, shoulder up, breathe in, breathe out, shoulder down. It's very important, keep doing, it's very important to release this pressure, to relax your shoulders before starting the neck and shoulder warm-up. Now keep your hands on your chest. Deep breath in, inflate your chest. And as you deep breath out, deflate your chest. Breathe in, inflate your chest. And breathe out, deflate your chest. Now take your hands to your stomach and repeat the same thing with your stomach. So as you breathe in, inflate your stomach, bringing your awareness to your stomach region. And as you breathe out, deflate your stomach, pulling the stomach inside. Breathe in, inflate, and breathe out, deflate. Now let's do all three together. So breathe in, shoulder up, chest inflate, stomach inflate. Breathe out, all three deflate. 2 more times. Breathe in, and breathe out, release. Breathe in, shoulder up, chest up, stomach up. Breathe out, shoulder down, chest down, and stomach down. Well done. Come to your Vajrasana and take your neck to the right side. Inhale, center, and then to left side. So inhale in the center, exhale to your right. Inhale in the center and exhale to your left. Inhale center and shift your head backwards. Exhale, chin to chest. Inhale, head back. As you come forward, exhale and touch chin to chest. Now let's do neck rotation. Very slowly, Rotate your neck. Slowly it will go back and inhale. And as you come forward, touching chin to chest, exhale. Inhale as you go rotate back. Exhale chin to chest. Inhale back. Exhale front. Change direction. Now anti-clockwise rotation of your neck. As your neck will go back, inhale. As it will touch chin to chest, exhale. Feel the movement in your neck. Now taking your right hand, grabbing the left ear, pulling it to the right side. Your gaze will be at the ceiling. Breathe in and breathe out while you stay in this position and feel the amazing stretch. Now with your left hand, grab your right ear. Gaze will be on the ceiling. Feel the stretch on your right neck. Relax. Stretch your palms. Interlock your fingers behind you. Take a deep breath in and exhale as you fall forward, touching your forehead on the ground. Your interlocked fingers will be moving upwards. Come back. Inhale again, and as you fall forward, exhale, touch your forehead to the ground. Feel the stretch in your shoulders. Well done. Once more for this amazing shoulder and neck stretch. Exhale and bend forward. Hold your breath. Feel the stretch. Now 2 fingers on your eyes, 1 finger beside your nose and the 4th finger beside your lips. Close your ears and we'll do Bhramari. Breathe in. And let's make a humming bee sound. Breathe in. Rub your palms and place it on your eyes. Well done, yogis. Happy shoulders and happy neck day.